Why are electric bikes so heavy? This one weighs 22 kilos. Why are they so expensive? But it doesn't have to be this way. Let me show you. We took this non-electric ladies' bike and turned it into an e-bike. Oh, using the Swytch conversion kit, the kit that turns any bike into an e-bike. So the total cost, including the bike, came in at just under £900, and the final weight is just under 16 kilograms, which is 6 kilograms lighter than most other electric bikes. Installation is simple, as the kit comes with everything that you need. The only tools required are a spanner and an Allen key. Not sure what all that's for. Like most bikes, this has a 28-inch wheel, so I selected a 28-inch Swytch motor wheel. And it fits straight in. The magnet disc fits by the pedals, and the sensor detects when you're pedaling. The connector fits neatly to the handlebars, and the battery simply clicks on. Then, when you push the pedals, the power kicks in. So, turning your ladies' bike into an e-bike is as easy as that. And remember, Swytch fits on almost any bike. If you want more information about turning your bike into an e-bike, make sure you check out our website. And if you haven't already, like this video and subscribe to our channel. We'll see you soon.